Video, I'll be showing you how to further customize your page and how to use the featured tool on Facebook business page to promote an item, and how to do other settings and how to get reviews from your page, and how to add your services, and how to add other relevant information for your business page. And this is the home page for the page we created together. And if you scroll down, you'll see Facebook is telling you what to do. Write a welcome post, link your WhatsApp, and add an action button. So when we're doing that just now, you click on see more. And yeah, so I'm not going to be adding all of this. I don't want to invite friends. So far, we've been able to do all these things. So we have just a little few more steps to go to grow our account. But let's go back. I'll show you this. So edit details. If you think your details are not accurate, you can come back and edit them. They are looking okay for me up until here. So I want to add my hours. Do I have them added? Okay, let's add our price range. So if you know the price range of your products, you can put an amount. So if you think it's not applicable, just click on not applicable. You just don't want to leave it like that. They will add, no, the language should be in English. They will have gender, non-binary, just let it be. And then we'll have, there's no reviews yet. Okay, so this is okay with the editing. Then we'll go back and see this. You go to your scroll down, you're going to see add hobbies. I don't care so much about hobbies. So add featured. Now this feature on Facebook, we actually tend to ignore it a lot. So this is like on Instagram when you have your Instagram story highlights. So this can pass as your highlight on Facebook. Now it allows you to add spot on information about your product. But unfortunately, you have to sorry, I take that back. You can upload actually from your, let's try from your inbox. So I can do that, right? So if you want people to get a quick information about an item or something you're promoting on Facebook, you can do this. If you click on this, you've added your first photo. Where does it go now? Let's see where it goes to. So click on save. People come to your page and they see this. Then I want to add another one. Click on add new, click on upload, and then this is the second item. So this is a carousel item I created for a post, and if I create it here now, it will look as if it's a flyer. It will be like a banner. It's a banner for my Instagram. Let's see what it looks like. But this is just as an example. You can create a flyer and add it here, and it will serve as where people just click to find out information about your business. And it's just a quick way to just grab the attention of your target audience, whoever they may be. And so that's it. We've created this, and yeah. So I did not arrange it adequately. Let's see if I can. No, apparently I cannot rearrange them. So if you have a particular order for doing this, I suggest you arrange them adequately, and when people click on it, they will find you easily. And like if they click on this, this is what they see. So it's just like an highlight on my post. Yeah. So that's it. And this is a good way to announce. If you have a new product, you could create a flyer and use edit feature and add it here, and people get to see this when they come to your page. It's the first thing they see before they start seeing other things. It's just at the top of your profile, so it's just there sitting pretty. Yeah, so yeah, okay, so this is what I just wanted to show you. It's an add-on for you, and you can implement this in your business on your business page. Okay, I'll see you in my next video.